Hey folks, Tracy here. A few weeks ago I did a shopping haul video and I never did manage to put that up. So here it is. Hope you enjoy, and I still have a meals, what we are eating video to come. It's honestly a work in progress. I am recording as much as I can what we are eating, and it sometimes just ends up getting so lost in the shuffle so far back, but as soon as I can I will put a what we are eating meals video together for you as well. Enjoy the shopping haul. A few little quickie videos for you until I get that nice meals video up. And anyway, blessings to you all. Hope you're doing well, and I'll see you soon. Okay, produce haul from a local store mostly. Some things were from the other day from Whole Foods. So 2 separate trips, but by and large mostly just from a local store that pretty much only sells produce and a few other items. So we are stocked up with vegetables that will last us for a while. We've got Brussels sprouts, and I really am looking forward to trying Chef AJ's Dijon balsamic roasted Brussels sprouts. I normally buy the romaine lettuce from Whole Foods. This package of just hearts was only $1, so I grabbed it because I'm just enjoying having some with my meal. You don't tend to do a lot of cold raw food in the winter, but I do like having a little raw crunchy vegetables alongside with the cooked. So we got some beautiful I call it dino kale at the top there. That was from Whole Foods, and then there's 2 bunches or 3 of kale and collards, and the local stores are like 3 for $1. Cabbage, red and green, and these are like monsters. That's 79 cents a pound. It's 59 cents a pound. Sweet onion, 4 super extra large green peppers for $1.49, and then that red pepper was a little bit more expensive, but I got it at Whole Foods. It's Michigan. And then a jalapeno. We do our best to stick to what's seasonal and as local as possible. Not perfect. And I wouldn't normally buy mango this time of year, but Aldi was another stop we made today. Had these for 65 cents each, and they were soft. So I thought I'd try. I got a couple turnips, daikon radish. It's very pungent. It's great this time of year. Help decongest if you have phlegm. Both radishes. All of the onion and allium family will. But if you shred it up with some shredded carrot and add it to hot water with a little horseradish and miso paste, it's very medicinal. And actually, when you cook radishes, they go from being really pungent to a lot more sweet. But generally speaking, root vegetables this time of year are ideal. They're going to keep you nice and warm. I have Asian sweet potato, purple, the jewel, and there's some garnet under there. And most of these potatoes I've been buying for just over $2 a pound at Whole Foods. And just these came from the local store, the jewels, for 79 cents a pound. All right, and then our main sweet is dates. And they've been out of any that look very good. These look awesome, nice and soft. Yeah. You can make date pastes and use that to sweeten dressings. We got 1 squash, a couple things of mushroom, a couple more Aldi finds, and that is reusable bags you can put produce in and store in the fridge, and then some storage container for grains and beans, and another smaller set that has bamboo lids that seal pretty well to take food to go. Sweet onion leek for making some more vegetable broth. Oh yeah, and one more fruit we did decide to try. Not in season, but sometimes the price is right. I'll try it. These are like $1 for these little mini purple grapes. So that's our haul. Veggies for the win. Starch based, and lots of non-starchy vegetables to have in the morning for breakfast and throughout the day.